welcome to my kitchen. This is my Sous Chef Annabell and my guest chef Skylar. What we're going to do is start our oven at 400 degrees. Today we're going to make the best baked chicken wings. Our ingredients are chicken wings, deep seasoning, chicken seasoning, and paprika. The thing we're going to do is wash our chicken wings very well and pat them dry. I'm going to ask guest Skylar if she wants to pat the chicken wings. Do you want to pat the chicken wings? I need to mix it. Can I cook them? He did the big white block. Big white block. Now I have here 5 pounds of chicken wings. Now we're going to add 2 ounces of the chicken seasoning. You're so weird. I know. I forgot we hit up here. I was big blob. Now we're gonna add about an ounce of beef seasoning. Smells like barbecue. Yeah, feel a both. Now we're gonna add about half an ounce of paprika. So red. That's gonna be the first for you. Like big, big. Look at this blob. What about Annabelle? Cover our pan with aluminum foil. Now I'm going to cover the aluminum foil with I need to do this because there's like dry spots here. We're going to add our chicken wings on a single layer. I'm gonna burn after this. Close the oven. I gotta be careful. Now we're going to set the timer at 35 minutes. Remember, 400 degrees and 35 minutes. Our chicken wings are out of the oven. Now we're gonna put it under the salamander for about 5 minutes on both sides. Came out of the salamander, now we're going to flip it. Mommy. This smells so good.
They do.
Eat that. I know. We're done flipping our chicken wings. Now we're going to put it under the salamander for 2 to 3 minutes. Our chicken is out of the salamander. Here you go. All for today. Thank you for following and subscribe.